The Lenovo Smart Display. Will it truly make your home smarter? Let's quest for tech. Hey friends, welcome to Quest for Tech, where every day is a quest to find the newest technology in video games.
With us being a new channel, we really appreciate your support. So do us a favor and like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And here we go.
Okay, so this is the 7-inch Lenovo Smart Display. It's Lenovo's newest product in their Smart Display line using the Google Assistant. Just for reference, a Smart Display is a smart speaker with a touchscreen. It's designed to be used around your home, sort of like a hub to everything to help run your home. It shows you the results from using the Google Assistant. So when you ask it a question, you'll hear it and you'll actually see it on screen. So Google and Lenovo make a hub in your home, basically a control center that links all your smart home devices and allows you to control them on screen or with your voice. So the screen is a 7-inch wide-angle IPS display. Up front, it has two forward-firing 5-watt stereo speakers, which you'll hear later in the video. They sound amazing. Above the screen, you have a 2-megapixel camera capable of 720p video, which is perfect for your video chats on Google Duo. Now, let's take a closer look at the touchscreen.
So now we're going to go over some of the settings that you can access directly from the touchscreen. Pulling up from the bottom, you have screen brightness, volume, do not disturb, add an alarm quickly to issue a problem, and then your overall actual settings. You have the about device, photo frame, network. You can see the open source license, and you can also send feedback from this way as well. Now, scrolling from the top to the bottom, you'll see all the different hub items for if you do have other smart things in your home, like lights, thermostats, cameras, things like that. You can even set routines, which is basically like to have a command word to turn on lights when you come home or something like that. If you have multiple devices, there's a broadcast system, so you can actually announce to other ones as well. So if you don't want to ask Google to show you, this is a quick way for you to easily access going to your lights and seeing if they're on or off, or wanting to change a color if they are colored lights. Also, your cameras, you have all your different cameras right here that you could see if you wanted. So we have a couple different cameras. I'm going to show you our front door, which is actually our Nest doorbell. And as you can see, this is a live feed of our front door right now. You can actually see that the tree is moving. And if someone was at the door, I could easily press this talk button and be able to talk to them right from here without even having to get up and answer my door. And then to exit out, you just scroll on over to the right. Another thing that we can use from the touchscreen is if you wanted to change your thermostat. We personally have the smart thermostat that's the Ecobee. It shows 2 on here because one of them is actually our sensor. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, it brings up what the current temperature is set to, and then also what it's reading the current temperature to. You can change the temperature right from here. Or if you wanted, you could use your voice to go ahead and control that as well. So now we're going to go over a few things that you can do right out of the box with this smart display. The first thing is it's Google enabled, so I'm going to ask a few questions. Google, what's the traffic like in Chicago?
There's light traffic in Chicago, Illinois.
Okay. Google, can you set a timer for 20 minutes?
Sure, 20 minutes. And we're starting now.
Google, cancel that timer.
Sure, canceled.
Google, remind me tomorrow at 12 p.m. to edit this video.
Alright, I'll remind you on Friday at noon.
Google, cancel that reminder.
Got it, it's canceled.
Google, how many teaspoons are in 1 cup?
1 cup is 48 teaspoons.
Google, can you show me recipes for lasagna?
Here are some recipes I found.
Now I'm going to show you one of the more important things that your smart display can do for you, and that is playing some music. Google, play Rhythm of the Night by Black Eyed Peas.
Ritmo Bad Boys for Life by the Black Eyed Peas, sure. Playing on YouTube Music.
What the Lenovo Smart Display will do when you pair it with other smart home devices like smart lights, smart door locks, and even Nest cameras or thermostats.
Someone's at front door.
Hello? Who's there?
Okay.
Yes, do you have a package?
Hi. I'm sorry?
Yes, do you have a delivery?
Yes, I do.
Alright, I'll be right there to get it. Lock the garage door.
Sure, locking the garage door. The garage door has been locked.
Turn on lounge. Google, turn rope light to blue. Google, turn on rope light 50%. Google, turn rope light to white. So as you can see, there's literally thousands of possibilities and combinations that you can do when pairing the smart display with other smart home gadgets.
Now we're going to take a look at the video quality and a Google Duo call.
Okay, showing Black Widow trailer videos.
I used to have nothing. And then I got this job. This family. But nothing lasts forever.
Video call for Jay. It's from Brit.
Answer that. Hey,
Hey,
how are you?
good. How are you?
Ooh, I'm actually filming right now.
Oh, really?
Alright, well, I'll talk to you later. Hey Google, hang up. So since we're talking about Google Duo, wanted to show you the camera shutter. You can switch this on, and the camera is blocked from viewing anything when you don't want it to. And this is the microphone mute, so you can stop the display from listening whenever you don't want it to hear. Hey Google. Hey Google. So one thing you have to keep in mind is this is not a tablet. All of the smart displays with Google Assistant use Android things, which is a version of Android, but you're not able to just type in a website and go there or search for an app and download it. It has everything on the screen and already installed that you'll use. So since this isn't a tablet, it has to be plugged in at all times. So you can move it in and around your house. You can put it in different areas, but each time you unplug it and plug it back in, it will need to reconnect to the internet. So we just wanted to show you a few of the things that you'd be able to do right out of the box with the smart display, and then obviously some things that you'd be able to do once you start to expand your smart home devices. So at the beginning of the video, we asked, will it truly make your home smarter? Well, I believe it's a yes. It connects to thousands of smart devices like lights, thermostats, cameras, door locks, and you can control these devices with your voice or from the screen. So I think that would make your home a little smarter too. But should you buy it? Ultimately, it's up to you. If you feel that you have a need and this product could, help make your life a little bit easier, then I think it's a great buy, and it's definitely worth the $99 price point. So here at Quest for Tech, we like to rate devices on a 4-star basis, and Lenovo Smart Display is getting 4 stars for its sleek look, great functionality, and $99 price. Very, very affordable. It's fast, it's nice, it looks cool, and it is the latest and greatest from Lenovo. 4 stars. Well, friends, that's all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you all going on this quest with us. We're already hard at work on our next videos, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything. And let us know in the comments, what devices do you use to make your home smarter? Thanks again, friends. We'll see you soon, and never stop questing.